Alrighty folks, it's going to probably be one of the last garden tours for this season. We still got tomatoes in there, but as far as everything else, you can see here cantaloupes are wrapping up. We dug some taters yesterday evening there. That'll be in a separate video. They did okay. Wasn't skunked, wasn't the best. We've still got 3 rows to dig. And then here is the pumpkins. By no means no record setters, but we did get pumpkins. Won't be long Halloween be coming up here. At least maybe they'll make some jack-o'-lanterns. The beans are pretty much wrapping up. We've still got some that we can pick. We've mowed down where the corn's at. And as I was mowing it, luckily it didn't hit the plastic. It did hit the... Thank God nobody was inside picking at the time. You can see here, right there's a hole, and right there. But luckily it didn't hit the plastic on the inside. It was rolled up to there. That would have been real bad if somebody had been inside at the time. And I was probably all the way over to here and it hit. I had the mower up as high as it would go, but must not have been high enough. Down there's our other beans. We probably got another picking of the half runners to come off. Carolyn's over here working in her other tomato patch and pepper patch. Chicken's over there just waiting for her to throw them something. Let's go in here and see what kind of tomatoes we got left. I noticed the other day we was getting some more blooms and all back on. Last year, looking at the, yeah, you can see the squash, they're pretty much done for. It'll just be coming time to clean up here, plow all this up, getting all our drip tape up. Except for this here, we'll be leaving the tunnel at least here one more season. I've not decided about the plastic yet, but you can see we're still getting tomatoes on in here. They're still blooming. But like I said, last year our first frost was September 20th. It wasn't a huge frost, but it was a frost. So winters are coming. This year has flew by. Grandma and Grandpa, well, all the older people always said, the older you get, the faster time will go. But you even got little kids talking about how fast times are going anymore. But yeah, we'll go through and pick the tomatoes out of here again this evening. Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. I won't bore you with us picking these tomatoes. I think you've seen us pick enough tomatoes. You can see we've got a lot of new growth on. Later on I'll be telling you my thoughts on the caterpillar tunnel. and what seeds will be a growing next year, the ones that we decided to do and the ones we've decided not to go through with. I forget the last count Daniel had on pounds of tomatoes we got out of here. We was getting up close to 800. If all the tomatoes had produced like some of the other varieties, we would have went over 1,000 pounds easy. But that's what trial and error. Who's to say, next year it may be just the opposite. The ones that did real good for us this year may not do real good next year. But we'll be letting you know which ones we're going to do. You can see here Daniel, he's starting to pick some peppers. We've still got oodles of peppers, Lord willing, to get, and they're still blooming. The peppers really seem to like this cover over them. And out here you can see we're going to have to do some cleaning. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank you for watching. You all have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time. Here we got little Dixie. Hi honey, say something for the camera. Oh, don't be bashful. Jump up here. I'm sure you've got some fans out there. Yeah. Yeah, you like your chin scratched? Yeah. You like to go wherever we do, don't you? Here's Miss Carolyn feeding her chickens. Well, it looks like she's cutting her tomatoes out. Alrighty, I better go help Dan. Thank y'all for watching. Today will be a double upload, folks. We've got 2 videos coming out. The one will be fast and short, making vanilla. We did get over 800 pounds of tomatoes for the year. I just checked out there just a little bit ago. We'll have some more to pick here in just a few days, Lord willing. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and subscribing. And you all have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time.